This review is of Nature Valley Savory Nut Crunch Smoky Barbecue Naturally Flavored Crispy Nut Bars and 2 grams of sugar. So that's a plus. 100% recycled paperboard. I wonder if there's anything else. Ah, there is. Wonderful. It's made by General Mills. And no artificial flavors, colors, or high fructose corn syrup. And that is it, I believe, except for bioengineered food ingredients. Made in Canada, where they have learned to destroy people's health just like in America. 1 bar has got 8 grams of fat, of which 1 is saturated, no trans fats or cholesterol, 180 milligrams of sodium, 12 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, 2 grams of added sugar, and 4 grams of protein. And here are the ingredients. Oh no, maltodextrin. That's going to spike blood sugar really badly. Plus sugar. Come on, guys. Stop. And molasses. And modified cornstarch. Seriously, that's too much sugar. All right, well, we probably won't taste it. Let's give it a try. It's awfully thin. I'm hoping at least that it tastes nice. Dry and crunchy and crumbly. The peanuts play a prominent role in the flavor. I wish they had invested more in making it a quality flavor. Without sugar and salt. See, it just falls apart. It's kind of a mild flavor that is competing with the peanuts. And the sugar isn't noticeable, really. The salt isn't atrocious. But again, I wish that they had invested more in spices. So I'll give it a 6.5. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.